Did you know retailers lost $90.3 billion to shrink last year? On average, a business with an annual gross revenue of $1 million loses over $50,000 in revenue due to employee theft. Over 5% of revenues are lost to employee theft annually, and over 66% of businesses have regular employee theft. It typically takes 14 months to catch the employee. The only way to get your money back is through employee theft insurance. But you need a conviction, and 16% of owners never report the issue because it is too hard to prove. In addition, over 25% of delivery drivers admit to stealing when unsupervised, and there are over 27 million professional shoplifters nationwide. That's why we created SpyFly 365. It's time for business owners to take a stand. SpyFly is designed to be your virtual manager. Watch your store during all open hours. We watch all your blind spots and become your own personal fly on the wall. We are able to use your existing CCTV cameras and integrate with many POS systems to watch your store during all open times. We will protect your business for under $290 a week, from open to close. SpyFly 365 becomes your least expensive and most important employee. Please pause the video and review our rates, then give us a call to get started today.